Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Darksun token. Ticker symbol is binary. Now this token is on the Solana blockchain, just came out 14 hours ago. It is trending right now on DEX tools, trending number 20 in the Solana section, and has a huge market cap, huge 24-hour trading volume. This token is up 14,511% in the past 24 hours. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, at OX Black Sun is their Twitter. I'm going to put it up in the corner of the screen there. You can see their contract address is right on the Twitter. It ends in pump because this token was created on pump.fun, a webpage for creating Solana meme coins. Brand new Twitter, just joined November 2024. They already have 2,365 followers. Link to their webpage is right there, darksun.io. It says, digital archaeologist Nemesis star exists, binary 427 posts. So basically, if you wanted to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Soulflare wallet, you could use a Phantom wallet, you could use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, any one of those wallets would do. You would fund your wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you download a wallet on your PC or on your mobile, fund it with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for the Darksun token using the contract address that you could find right there on their Twitter. Now, you probably will not have to set slippage because I haven't seen anything about taxes regarding this token. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off of Raydium, and this token may also be available on other dexes like Jupiter, Meteora, Orca, and if you follow the Twitter there, maybe they will announce some central exchange listings in the future as possible, but it's a good idea to follow the socials for new announcements, updates, partnerships, token listings, memes, whatever, all that good stuff. So this token here, their webpage, Darksun.is is linked on their webpage here. They have a little white paper. It says, note from authors, standard year 11/11/24. Quick briefing from the case of Darksun's existence. Back in the 1980s, when we were still naive enough to believe official stories, NASA launched the first space probes, Pioneer 10 and 11, to check out some weird gravitational readings on Uranus and Neptune. Made history as the first probes to get out of our inner solar system. What they found? Well, that's where things get sticky. Two authority scientists, Van Flandern and Harrington, and it looks like they have links where you can actually go to their Wikipedia pages and check out these two people here. So the two scientists. So these two authority scientists, straight laces, both started seeing funny numbers in the data stream. Findings suggested a massive object about 4 to 5 times the size of Earth beyond our solar system, along with the potential dead star, a binary companion to our sun. So they have the little picture here of the dead star on their webpage, which is 50 billion miles out. They have the 10th planet, the equal pole, the Pioneer 10, 4.7 billion miles out, Earth, Uranus, Neptune, and Pioneer 11, all in like this big chart picture that you could see on there. So then it says part 2, the silence, the plot thickens. The NASA authority announces 10th planet, big news. It makes it into science and invention encyclopedia, and then silence. Complete shutdown. Both scientists died the same way. Throat cancer rapidly. Since then, an information purge of the mission reports on the internet. Convenient? Well, you tell me. Gets better. Some academic types say that the missing binary companion of our sun might explain big cycles here on the Earth, aka the Great Year, some call it. Hindu fellows named it Yugas. And number 3, the hack. They believe it means civilizations rise and fall like clockwork. If authority knew we were due for next fall, well, explain sealed lips about the binary star. Now, is this true? Here's the rundown. Let's capitalize on Darksun's emergent behavior to uncover the missing information buried on the internet and turn it loose on this mystery. Let's dig it through. And then they have Van Flanders and Harrington research and the basically the Wikipedia pages, the data from the encyclopedia diagram. They have a link to that. It has been lost. And then it says analysis of Caltech research regarding the 9th and 10th planet and our outer solar system, Earth's geological record, cross-reference with ancient historical accounts of celestial cycles. And then lastly, number 4, the monetization protocol. So the brass hats won't like it, but if there is a cosmic clock ticking, we'd better know about it. And if we need to fund it through some bullish crypto scheme, well, I've seen crazier ways to finance a mission. Developer wallet lockup, 5% of supply, 1% used to stake more GPU muscle via the IO.net. Because when you're hunting dead stars, you need more than a calculator watch. So this token here, has a market cap right now of $14.4 million. Just came out 14 hours, 56 minutes ago on Raydium. Has a 24-hour trading volume of $44.4 million. Token price is 1.4 cents per token. This token is up over 16,300% right now and has $656,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium. And according to Dex Screener, 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about the Darksun token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.